Hey guys, how's it going? I was here at one of my customers to do a tune-up on this MXS engine. Unfortunately, I can't do it because I found not all, but 5 out of 6 injector rockers are scratched really bad. Can't really show. Okay, so I got my flash on now, and I'll try to focus there. Where is it? Okay, right here. You see that scratch? That's on the injector rocker arm. And now we have the same scratch on 5 more. So that's good he called me. And just stay tuned, guys. We'll see how this job goes. Cheers. So I took the injector rocker out. The cam is really scratched. Look at the cam lobe here. Look at the cam lobe here. So guys, what I'm trying to say is you have to get your valve adjustment done after every 250K so that a guy like me can find this shit. I came here strictly for a valve adjustment, and now my customer needs an overhead. Guys, how's it going? So the new cam is in, and it's looking good. I gotta turn the light on so we can see better. Checking cam. And I got the new rollers for the injectors. Just gonna put them on soon, then make a video again. The cam is looking good so far. How's it going? Just finished doing a top set on this thing and installing all the head internals. You can see they're all marked, looking pretty good. I adjusted every single adjusting screw right there. Looking pretty good. Soon we're gonna fire her up. She's running. Wow. Okay, let's see how wow, you just hit 40 psi of boost. 42, 44. Awesome. See, so how's the power?
Unbelievable, man. It's unreal.
Awesome, man. Do you have something to say for me?
Thanks, B. You're the best, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's better than
You
this.
like your engine brake?
Oh, yeah. Oh, strong.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Thank you so much, B.
No problem.
Hey,
Anytime.
guys, don't hesitate to call him, man.
Thanks,
I don't
buddy.
know what to say.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.